Y'all, it is storming out here in New York City. Snowstorm is officially here. Look around. Yeah, fully white. So I'm actually heading to the store. I don't really be minding the weather too much. It is cold, but yeah, I need to go to the store for something. Okay. My lips feel like they're about to come off. Just came back from the supermarket. Look at husband. Look at this. We're making it do what it do. Whew. Remember what I told y'all yesterday in my shorts? I said, make sure you moisturizing them lips and keeping that Vaseline, chapstick, whatever you use. Because I saw enough people yesterday that looked like they got black ice on their lips. Okay, now. I am here getting ready to make me I think it's called arugula, and spinach and egg and turkey and cheese. Oh. Yeah, so that's what I'm making. That's what I'm making, and I'm gonna go try and start my series. I probably could have put this on a scallion pancake, but it's okay. It's all goody.
It's hot in Jamaica right now. It's Asia, it's Valiant, it's Chronic Law. Those names are going to come up before in 1 minute, somebody's laughing at you. Somebody's enjoying the fact that you are uncomfortable. How you come back from that? Let's see what happened to you. It don't make sense to see, you know, way about it, you know, because you're not the only artist get that. Why if a bigger artist now, even before you and after you back down and kick down and even work around and you get the stuff that, you know, from the internet. Did you feel at some point that this might sink my career? No, my career started with me and ended with me, so my mindset in my career. You never panicked at all? No, I'm not panic. If I panic, I could have find sorry. Really want to hurt people. You understand as much as well, the outside, the certain thing, when I get into hurting people unfairly, it's fair. You don't want credit to it. You understand that I
So I'm back outside. Oh, with Miss in the in the snow. Look, and it's really,
Yeah, what
more than a little bit, more than what I expected.
Yeah, what country do you think I'm in? Russia or America?
Russia or America? Oh, thank God this ain't Russia. Oh, Lord. See what happened, right? But, and I realized Doc Martens are not snow boots. Yes, Royce has on her snow boots. So, she's upstairs. I'm pretty sure. No. Oh boy. All right, you guys, because my hand is hurting.
Yo, I want to see. I can hold it.
No, your hands are wet. See?
Yeah, so we're going to go in the tunnel. Follow me.
Go ahead. Do the snow angel.
I can't.
Why?
It's snowing. My eyes.
All right, close your eyes and do it. Hurry up. Oh. Come on. You need help? Come on. Wow. This is crazy, right, Bubba?
Let's
What?
make a
Right. I put my phone there. Ooh. Oh,
I'm swimming in snow.
girl. Come on, let's try it home.
Help!
Get up.
I'm trying to.
You need... See the camera? Period.
Another day, another sleigh. Period.
Come on, let's...
Oh! We got behind.
Woo! That is cold. Yep. Come on, boo boo. Let's go. Yeah, it's cold.
You punk.
Oh.
You.
Yep, it's cold.
What's up? Say what, say what, say what? Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling. Scheming on you and your homie. Every first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. And you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you.
Module, dashboard out.
She's a sore loser. And she's always cheating. Every time, Roy, Roy T be cheating.
Now, because
Roy, nobody likes to play with her because she be cheating.
which are holding it in,
And why you be
Look at
cheating?
that.
disconnect the electrical
You think that's
connection.
nice? To do that to the Shade Boo family?
What is that?
You they niecey
Hold
poo.
the ditch.
You they niece.
Under the seat.
Look how she bad. Look at her face.
That's the inertia one.